Fergus offers multiple calendar views to help you plan and manage your schedule efficiently. Here's a quick guide on when we recommend to use each one. The day view is best for when you need a detailed breakdown of a single day, especially on busy days with packed schedules. The horizontal day view is ideal for businesses with large teams, allowing you to scroll down and see more team members at a glance. The vertical day view works well for smaller teams, keeping the layout clean and easy to read. It's all about personal preference. Go with what feels right for your workflow. The week view is best for planning your workload across multiple days, managing deadlines, and rescheduling tasks when needed. It still provides event details but displays a full week at a time, making it easier to manage overlapping jobs, coordinate schedules efficiently, and schedule projects that span several days. The week view makes it easy to spot open slots in everyone's schedule. If you want to see multiple days at a glance with the week view, choose horizontal for better visibility and easy comparison. If you prefer a more structured, day-by-day breakdown, go with vertical for a clear, organised view. Both layouts have their advantages. Many Fergus users even switch between views as needed to stay flexible. You can also customise your business hours in Fergus to optimise your calendar view. This lets you grey out certain times and days, or even completely hide them, making the most of your screen space. With this setup, day view stretches to fit your screen, keeping your schedule clear and focused. And the week and month views display only your core working days, hiding non-working days like weekends so there's more room to show event details. Finally, the month view is best for a big picture overview of upcoming work. It's great for long-term planning, especially if you schedule jobs weeks in advance. You can instantly see availability and identify peak busy periods. Pro tip: start with the month view to get a high-level overview and find open slots at a glance. Then switch to the week or day view to fine-tune your schedule. The month view can get crowded if you have a large team with multiple jobs per day. To keep things manageable, use the staff filter on the left. You can select one staff member at a time, or use groups to quickly toggle a selection of users on or off. With these flexible calendar options, you can stay on top of your team's workload and keep jobs running smoothly,